Yo, what's goody? It's your boy Conrad, and we're back. So today the plan is we're gonna go ahead and change out the spark plugs. We got some NGK BKRs. Honestly, with spark plugs, everyone's got their own opinion on like everything. I tried to research exactly what I should do with the spark plugs with the gap and everything, but as you all know, your boy doesn't really know anything, so we're just gonna. I gapped him to 0.9 millimeters, so it's because the car's BPU, but hopefully, that works, and if it doesn't, then we'll adjust then accordingly. But for now, so we got to go ahead and take my strut bar off, and then the top, and then we should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and check that out. Alright, so now that we took off just the cover up there, if you can see that, so now we're going to go ahead and take off these, just disconnect the coil packs all the way through, and after that we're going to go ahead and move them to the side and then be able to unbolt the coil packs out. Let's go ahead and get that done. Went ahead and disconnected these plugs. There's 6 of them, obviously inline 6. And we're going to go ahead and also replace these. These are breather hoses for the valve cover, and I have some brand new ones right here. It's the part number if anyone cares. That's for one. And then here's the other one right there. Oh my goodness, right there. Focus. There you go. And then, so we're going to go ahead and take these out and then replace. Alrighty. So all we have to do is take these out. As you can see, there's, I don't know if you can see that, but there's one down here. So let's see if I can do this on video. So look how long these bolts are, my man. So let's take all these out. This top part should just come out like that. And we gotta do that 2 more times, and then we'll be done. Alright, so we got all these. They're all good to go. We cleaned them up a little bit. But my guy, this car sat under a tree and shit. But like, I don't know if I should be concerned or just clean this out. I'm gonna clean it up until someone tells me to be concerned, but it is crappy in there. Alright, so we're back like maybe 2 hours later. I didn't have a deep socket set or the little tool to get the spark plugs out, so we went and got some ones. These are the deepest ones I could find, which is fine. They work perfectly. I'm already started, so we're gonna go ahead and take them all out and then see how bad they are. If they're not bad, then I did this for no reason, or preventative maintenance. I don't know how you mechanics do it, but I had to get myself a little thing so I can look over, because I'm too damn small, bro. I'm 5'7". Like, I'm little. And look at this. Look how wide, look how big this engine bay is. And like, update real quick. So all these are just filled with oil. I did a little bit of research. They're not super bad to where they're like dripping, but they do have oil on them, and it could be a bunch of stuff. I'm hoping it's nothing like bottom end or anything crazy like that. If it is, then we're gonna have to, I don't know. I really don't want to pull the engine out, but it's not thinking like that. Hopefully it's just like the cam covers. Hopefully it's that. If not, then I don't know. But for now, we're just gonna swap them out. I did have iridium plugs, but I'm just gonna swap them out. Let's get to it. Right, so all the spark plugs are in, every single one. Bro, look how bad these are. These are just like, I took out all that stuff from the spark plug like wells, and I mean, like, let's inspect one. This is actually, let's inspect the worst one. that I found. Like, it's got oil everywhere. But it's got a bunch of, it's mostly like dirt, like from, it had like a bunch of like dirt from like a tree or something, which I don't know how the hell it gets under here. Apparently it does, but it's just disgusting. Hopefully, what I'm gonna do, or not hopefully, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and I'll periodically look at them, make sure they're not oily and stuff, and it just, if it keeps going through like that and it just keeps getting oily and oily and oily, then I'll have to get it checked out or ask a couple buddies of mine, see if what they think. We'll go from there, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten those, and then we're gonna go ahead and just put everything back together and fire up, see how it goes. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, we gotta put these bad boys, those bad boys go right there, skinny one first, fat one in the back. Let's go. Alright, my guy, just looking mad fresh with those new hoses, new breather hoses, new spark plugs. Alright, moment two, let's see if she starts. You know, most people build engines and stuff. I just change my spark plugs and I get a heart attack. Alright, well, she's alive. Scared the fuck out of me the first time, but she still idles like crap. She idles up and down. So it's not the spark plugs. She's loud though. She's super loud. I honestly don't. I know. I think it could be a vacuum leak. I'm trying to figure out what vacuum leak it is. But she's definitely still running like normal, I guess. Like crap, but normal. So I'll try to figure out the vacuum leak. But I mean, this is a short video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Follow me on the Supra journey. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.